Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can extract audio from video in the CapCut PC apps. So actually it's super simple. You are just going to select audio and then select extracted audios and select import. So select the video that you want to extract the audio. For example, just click on the video and then click open, and automatically audio has been extracted from your video. Here just click add to the track to edit it. So super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.